In this video, we listed the 5 best air dusters on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WOLFBOX MF50 Duster. The WOLFBOX MF50 electric air duster is a high-performance, rechargeable cleaning device equipped with a powerful brushless motor that reaches an impressive 110,000 RPM. Designed with 3 adjustable speed gears, it delivers precise and efficient dust removal for cars, PCs, household items, and outdoor equipment. Weighing just 0.6 kilograms, it is lightweight, portable, and comfortable to handle during extended cleaning sessions. Manufactured in mainland China under the reputable WOLFBOX brand, the MF50 contains no high-concern chemicals, ensuring safe and eco-friendly use. Classified under heating and fans, it offers a sustainable alternative to disposable air cans, making it both cost-effective and environmentally conscious. Number 2. THERAGUN X3 PRO Duster. The THERAGUN X3 PRO is a high-performance electric cleaning device designed to replace traditional air compression tanks, featuring a powerful brushless motor with a maximum speed of 150,000 RPM and peak wind speeds exceeding 55 meters per second, weighing in at a manageable size. It is equipped with an 8,000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery that offers intelligent protection against overheating and short circuits. This versatile tool is perfect for cleaning keyboards, laptops, cameras, and car interiors, as well as for outdoor activities like picnic fires. Constructed from high-quality ABS and rubber paint, the X3 PRO is both durable and user-friendly, ensuring a comfortable grip during operation. It is available at a discounted price of BDT 3,169.59, down from BDT 13,206.51, excluding applicable taxes at checkout. With a 1-year warranty and efficient after-sales service, THERAGUN stands behind its commitment to quality, making this product a reliable choice for consumers. Number 3. Xiaomi Super Violent Fan. The Majir Turbojet Fan is a powerful cleaning tool featuring an impressive brushless motor that operates at 800,000 RPM, delivering a wind speed of 58 meters per second and a thrust of 300 G, making it highly effective for removing dust, sand, and debris. With a dual 21,700 lithium battery setup, it offers a substantial capacity of 20,000 mAh, allowing for up to 2 hours of low-frequency use on a single charge, and boasts fast charging capabilities within 3 to 4 hours. Weighing only 300 grams, this fan is designed for versatility, suitable for various applications such as computer equipment cleaning, industrial dust blowing, and even drying pets. Its user-friendly design includes infinite speed regulation for precise control, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Currently available at a discounted price of BDT 2,528.20, down from BDT 6,320.34, this product is a practical addition to any toolkit, excluding applicable taxes at checkout. Number 4. Xiaomi Air Duster. The Majir Powerful Dust Blower is an efficient cleaning tool equipped with a robust brushless motor that operates at 800,000 RPM, delivering a wind speed of 55 meters per second for effective dust removal. This outdoor air duster features a built-in 6,000 mAh lithium battery, providing up to 2 hours of low-frequency use on a single charge, with a quick charging time of 3 to 4 hours. Its versatile design allows for a wide range of applications, including cleaning computer equipment, industrial dust blowing, and even drying pets. The blower offers infinite speed regulation for precise control, making it suitable for various tasks from air cushion blowing to snow blowing. Available at a discounted price of BDT 2,492.88, down from BDT 6,232.21, this product is a valuable addition to any toolkit, excluding applicable taxes at checkout. Note that the fan's charging port may exhibit slight air leakage, which is considered a normal occurrence. Number 5. Turbojet Fan 150000 RPM Duster. The Isfride Turbo Jet Fan is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for home DIY projects, featuring a robust brushless motor that operates at 250,000 RPM and delivers a wind speed of 41 meters per second. This cordless mini air blower is equipped with an 8000 mAh built-in lithium battery, providing up to 2 hours of low-frequency use and a charging time of 3 to 4 hours. Its infinite speed regulation allows for easy one-handed operation, making it suitable for various applications such as removing dust from keyboards, cars, and tight spaces. Crafted from high-hardness, high-temperature resistant materials, this blower is designed for durability and efficiency. Compact and lightweight, it is perfect for on-the-go cleaning, whether at home or during outdoor activities. Priced at BDT 1,859.64, down from BDT 3,956.69, this product offers an additional 2% discount with coins, excluding applicable taxes at checkout. The removable and replaceable 21,700 battery enhances its convenience and usability.